What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Yeah, you. And on today's video I have the 5 things I like about my Umidigi F1. And let's start with number 1 is the price.
What's the price?
The price on this phone is absolutely crazy at $199 for all the things you get in that package is crazy. You get a P60, Full HD, 18:9 aspect ratio, water drop display that looks crispy. You get a 5,150 milliamp hour battery, and you get Android Pie, all for $200. I don't see anybody doing the exact same thing right now out there at that price point, and you can't not argue that that is the best bang for your buck.
Prices going up. Woo!
We just mentioned the screen, so let me give you a little better description of the screen. That is the number 2 thing I like about the Umidigi F1. It is an 18:9 Full HD water drop design. If you don't know what I mean about water drop, it resembles the OnePlus 6T. The notch at the top, it just goes around the camera and that's it. It doesn't have that iPhone notch cutout that everybody and their mama copied. It has this nice little water drop design that a lot of people like, that I actually like. The screen not only has a great design for the notch, but it's also very vibrant. The colors look very nice. It's a very crisp display. The viewing angles are great. In daylight, you can see the phone in daylight. It gets plenty of bright. Not the brightest, but it does get plenty of bright where you're not gonna not be able to see your phone outside in direct bright sunlight. The third thing I like about the Umidigi F1 is that it has a humongous battery. This thing has a 5,150 milliamp hour battery. If Tesla had this battery in one of their cars, it could drive across the United States on a single charge. It couldn't, I know, I'm joking. But speaking about charging, not only does it have a big battery, it has 18-watt fast charging, so it's gonna charge that big ass battery super quick. So not only are you gonna get battery for days, but when you do empty the tank, it's gonna take just a couple minutes to get you up and running again. The fourth thing I like about this phone is the speaker. It has one bottom firing speaker, and I know a lot of phones have a one bottom firing speaker, and a lot of phones have the dual stereo speaker nowadays, but this thing gets loud. I mean crazy loud. If you go up in the options and go into sound into advanced, there's an option that you can enable that makes it even louder. Sometimes it even hurts my ears, that's how loud it gets. And I'm not saying it's like extremely loud where my ears are going to start to bleed, but it does get a lot louder than any other single bottom firing speaker out there, especially in the budget world. Now I am going to put this against the new G3. I am going to put it against the ZTE Blade Max View. It's just so I can display how loud this speaker actually gets. And the fifth and last thing I like about this phone is that it has Android Pie. At a $200 price point with Android Pie, it's amazing. Not even my Note 9 has the Pie update yet. Especially not a lot of budget phones being released right now at that price point are releasing with Android Pie. Some phones are still releasing with Nougat. That's crazy. We're in 2019. We should be releasing with Android Pie, and Umidigi gave us Pie. Well, there you have it, Gadgeteers. Those are the 5 things that I like about my Umidigi F1. If you have a Umidigi F1, let me know in the comments below what is your favorite things about that phone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.